Hurricane Florence making a big impact along the eastern seaboard here today. This after, of course, some of the outer bands started working into the region yesterday morning, but now the worst of the weather is with us, at least in terms of wind. The heavy rain, of course, continues. We've already had reports of more than a foot of rain in some spots near North Carolina. Again, this is kind of stalling out or at least moving very slowly along the coast, and that, of course, is bringing that life-threatening storm surge and the heavy rain threat along with it, even the strongest winds. But keep in mind that 88% of all hurricane-related fatalities come with water, and we're talking about that flooding and storm surge. This was the view of Hurricane Florence at about 6:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday. This is the eye itself, but the strongest of the winds indicated by these yellows and the oranges. Again, moving into the Wilmington, North Carolina region with those 91 mile-per-hour winds. At least the ASOS there, the weather reporting station in Wilmington, reported that 91 mile-per-hour wind gusts at about 6:15 this morning. There's the scope of the storm, very large. The track to the west over the next 2 to 3 days here before turning north early next week. And again, the life-threatening heavy rainfall of 10 to 20 inches with some isolated 40-inch amounts. And again, the storm surge will continue, but the track very slow off to the west, prolonging those weather conditions. And it is very active in the Atlantic Basin with Joyce, Helene, and even Isaac continuing. So we'll keep you up to date on the latest with Florence here today.